Today we're showing you a 2014 Kubota M7060 tractor. It's a four-wheel drive tractor with cab, heat, and air. Tractor has just under 550 hours. Has a Kubota LA 1154 quick attach front loader. Tractor is in really nice shape. Paint is excellent. Excuse me. It does have the Skidsteer style hookup for your bucket connection. Nice heavy duty bucket with hardly any paint out of it. It does have the front grill guard. As you can see, the paint's in excellent condition. Also have a level indicator there on the loader. Tires are good. 71 horsepower. Mirrors on both sides of the cab. Doors on both sides of the cab. It does have the telescopic 3-point arms as well as the stabilizer bars. 540 PTO. Rear hydraulic outlet. This tractor's ready to go to work. Very nice tractor. Show you the inside of the cab. We do have a couple scuff marks here from getting in and out of the tractor. Overall, it's very clean in here. Tilt steering wheel. It does have the hydraulic shuttle, which allows you to change direction without clutching. Full suspension seat here for the operator. Has 8 speeds in the transmission. You've got 4 gears here, which are all synchronized. High-low back here. Also have the hand throttle within easy reach, the rear hydraulic control, 3-point and PTO controls back here. Loader control right there within easy reach. Up top you've got the climate controls and the radio. Sun visor, it's all there. Very sharp tractor. This tractor must pass a 40-point inspection prior to pickup or delivery. Also, we do offer trucking and financing. If you have any questions, please contact us.